Hi guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's video we're gonna see how you can basically add a countdown timer to your website, or any page or anything, even posts. So the first thing we're gonna do is on the left hand side we're gonna go to hover over the plugins button, and we're gonna left click on add new plugin. So right next to install plugins we're gonna click on this. Here on the search plugins, we're gonna search for just countdown, click enter. It's gonna take us to this right here, which is the countdown coming soon maintains countdown and clock. We're gonna left click on install now, wait for it to install, and this install button is gonna change to the activate button. Left click on activate. It's gonna take us to this right here. So here it is. Basically what we can do is on the top side we can just click on add new right next to countdown and clock. We're gonna left click on that, and as you can see you have many themes of the countdowns you can do. So you can do a countdown, you can even do a clock or other or timer or a pop-up or whatever you want. So we're gonna do a countdown. Click on the circle, which is the first one, left click on that, and after that we can add new countdown. Basically you can add a title. We're just gonna name it countdown, and we can basically display it on anything you want. So top left, top center, top right, we're gonna display it on top left. You can even set conditions for your countdown, but we're just not gonna set any. And the important thing is the due date. So when the countdown ends, we're gonna set it to, let's say, 5:02 Eastern time, and we're just gonna go to the bottom and just click on. So after you done all that, you're gonna scroll to the bottom as I said, and after that we are going to find the publish button right here. So for me it's update. You're gonna left click on that, and right after that it's gonna publish, and we can see it right here basically when you click on the countdown and clock again. So it's right here. After that we're just gonna copy the shortcode to keep to our clipboard, and we're gonna go to pages, click on all pages, and let's go just to the sample page. So we're gonna click on edit, and after we've pasted the code we should get that countdown right here. So let's see if it works. Paste it, and just left click on update on the top right section, and we're just gonna right click on view page, open link in new tab, and as you can see we have the countdown right here. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope I guys helped you, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.